Hey designers and workrooms and other people who design window treatments. I wanted to show you a feature of Minutes Matter that I don't think they tell you a good job about in all of the training. Maybe I missed it, but here's a feature that I'm using. I'm going to show you what I'm working on, and I'm going to show you how I use this feature to help me in all of my designs to save me a ton of time. Here is the design that I'm working on. You can see we have a very large kitchen with a bay window, and it's really weird in that it's got a bay window and then some other angles in there that's going on. So we're really playing around with what are the options for this fabric and for the top treatment. And I went ahead and designed this bay window. You can see this here closely, box pleat valance. And I have another window in the same house right above this where I have to design a very similar treatment. So one of the features I use very often is I have my custom pieces set up over here. And you can see in my custom tab that I've created a couple of favorite options to go ahead and use those window treatments again. And here I created I guess a list of my bays and bows. So I went ahead and basically pulled in my bay window here, box pleat valance, so that I could reuse it on the next window. And I'll go ahead and show you that in just a second. So here I've got the bedroom picture imported in to my design in Minutes Matter. And coming over here to my custom bays and bows box pleat that I saved, since I know I have to reuse it, I'm just gonna drag it over. You can see the wireframe around the picture here. There is my design. It's not necessarily to scale yet, but I've already done all the work. So super easy. I'm just stretching it out to reach across the full bay. Gonna make it a little longer for where it is. And then the next thing I'll need to do is just kind of add the embellishments and the fabrics and save me a ton of time so I don't have to redo it. There you go. Have fun with that.